Hi everyone, happy Monday. We are heading into midterm and spring break, and your midterm exam is posted here. As you can see under quizzes and exams in Moodle, which you have to scroll down a little bit in order to get to, you can see your midterm exam for Nutrition 230. There's a link right here, and then a place to upload it is right here. So, as you can see here, I've made the due date Sunday, March 18th. So I've given you all of spring break to complete this if you would like it. Just because, in terms of my original due date, you would have had to, turn it in this week, but it wouldn't have made it into midterm grade. So I'm just going to give you a little bit longer to do that. I know a lot of you are probably crazy with midterms in your other classes right now too. So I wanted to make sure to give you the time and space that you need in order to do that. So you'll be uploading here. And then as we look at what's in midterm exam for Nutrition 230, you can see, just wait for Chrome to upload. You can see that the midterm exam is a series of questions. So we have 6 different questions. And what you're going to be doing with these questions is talking about, some DRIs versus dietary guidelines versus Choose My Plate. When we look at the pros and cons of a 24-hour recall versus a 3-day diet record, we're going to talk about, diabetes. What does insulin and glucagon management look like in a healthy person versus somebody with diabetes? Just talking through digestion, absorption, and metabolism when we look at, some of these different things with how do we digest a bagel with cream cheese, what types of carbs are in there, how is enzyme action happening, and then what happens if somebody has a digestive disorder such as celiac disease. And then how do HDLs and LDLs differ in terms of their functions, and how are blood levels related to cardiovascular disease? And so this is really looking at fats. And then this last one is looking at, eye profile. When we look at this question, I am not posting a video for this one. As you can see, I have not posted a video, but all of you did such a good job on your case study that I didn't really feel the need to post a video. So if anybody has any questions about this one, what you're just going to do is create, this profile, right, for this person. And then you want to make sure that she's on a vegan diet, right? So she doesn't have any animal sources of protein, and that she stays within her intake compared to DRI in terms of calorie recommendations, and that she gets enough iron. So just let me know what you think about this question. If you have any if you have any further questions about this, just let me know. And I look forward to reading all of your exams in the next couple weeks. Feel free to ask any questions that you have about the exam. In the meantime, you have a good amount of time to complete this, and I did post it last week and sent out a little email, so hopefully this is helpful for you. All right, have a great day, everyone.